What I'm calling this is a terminal extension. See, there's no way to get any kind of decent kind of switch in there to turn off the battery. Because once you start hooking up a winch and other accessories, you'll find that you have battery drain. And if there's enough battery drain, well, it'll just go ahead and drain that battery down so low it won't take a charge, and it'll fry the battery, so to speak. Even a new battery, you can see here, this is something I'm just going to use because I have it and I don't have a terminal cable. So what I'm going to do is just extend the terminal and mount this on this bar. That way this is more accessible. See, I'm going to screw that in there, right there. It sure is hard filming and doing this on your own. So I went ahead and screwed that in there, and I just kind of pounded it on there. Just find a piece of wood and just drive it down on there. Not while it's got the cable on it, obviously, but you see what I'm saying. Because this is a little bit bigger than this hole is, so man, this is so hard to get to. So I've just brought the terminal out here and I've put my switch on it. The actual cable with the terminal end on it that I could just run down to the battery cable and just extend it is it costs about as much as this does. But anyway, so what I've done is taken my winch and my battery cable, and I've hooked them up with this little extension here, and I bought one cable and it's just too long, so I've made two shorter cables. So I'm going to hook this in here, and once this is hooked up, then I'll turn this on and that'll ground the battery. Then I'll go ahead and hook my positive side up, and then I'll disconnect it, and there will be no battery drainage whatsoever. And yes, you can see when I close the hood, plenty of room in there, plenty of room. Just know that you don't need this, okay? All you need is a cable with a terminal end and an end like such that will go down and meet up with your battery cable and your other accessories, so you can put it on that one bolt. And now I'm going to come around to the other side of the battery here. I've installed the charger hookup that comes with some of the chargers that you can buy. And what I did is I hooked it up on the other side of the terminal. You can see how the charger connection is screwed onto the other side of the negative battery terminal. The same goes for that side there. Yeah, right there. And then of course the connection that goes up, and that cable just comes around, and we're back at the top of our switch. And there is our new terminal. I hope this video helps you in one way or another. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing to Make It Work Dan.